Today I'm going to review 3 things from KFC. I've been asked to rate 2 of them, but the other one is something that I saw today actually. First, the pop. They asked me to review the pop. That's what it looks like. And also the sauce comes with a pop. Let me try them both. The pop is very tasty. And the sauce as well. Okay. And now let me try the dunked wings. I've been asked also to review this. It's a bit on the sweet side, the dunked wings, but also right. Now let me review the spicy chips. I don't know if it's new, but it's the first time I saw it. Look what it looks like. Let me try it. It's very spicy. Yo. But quite nice. The pop, I would rate a 7.5. The dunked wings is really a bit too sweet for me. I rate it a 6.5. The spicy chips are actually quite nice. I rate it a 7.5. Thank you guys, till next time. Love you all.